Good.
Yeah, she love like that. You know she can stand. Give the treat.
Yeah.
Ay, no, don't give the
No.
treat.
No, Nala, come here.
Because she's
Oh my
allergic.
God. Nala.
Harley.
Nala.
You see her.
Nala wanted to treat.
Harley. Harley. You know, this dog, she can stand.
Yeah.
But you know, she has allergy. This is a problem of Harley.
Nala,
Ay,
she
Nala.
also
Jealous. Barking. Nobody come. Nobody come, Harley.
Hi.
Oi,
Stop.
what happened?
Nala, come. Come, Nala. Good.
You stand, you stand. You see? Oh
Come
my
now,
God,
come here.
so sweet.
Come,
Nala never do that.
Nala also coming.
She will do that if you have
You
a
have
treat. Give the treat.
Nala, come.
Harley!
Nala.
This is the one. Oh, wow! Oh my God! Don't give. No, it's not allowed. Not allowed to give the treat.
Nala, okay. Nala.
Oh my God,
Come
so cute, Harley.
Nala, come here.
You
Come.
see?
Nala, you come. Nala, okay. Nala, wait.
Oh my God, Harley!
Nala. Nala. Wait. Nala, come. Good girl. Nala, come. Yeah, good.
Oh my
Shabash.
God. She can stand.
Nala.
No, don't give. Let her to stand. Nala, you're very lazy. Stand up. Nala, stand up. Oh my God. She fell down.
Fell down.
Harley.
Come,
So
both
sweet. Oh
hands
my
up here.
God.
Come. Come, Nala.
Stand up. Nala, stand up. Don't be lazy. Stand up.
Come, Nala. Come.
Stand up, Nala. Because she know this is a kitchen. If outside, she will stand.
Yeah.
Not a girl.
You can give little this.
No. Because she is allergic. It's not allowed.
Come on. Good girl. Shabash.
But I feel sad, Harley, because
Yeah.
we cannot give anything. Only her food. You know her food for
Yeah.
allergy only.
She has to bring treat.
No, do not give a treat.
Nala, good.
You see?
See?
So let's see. Tomorrow I give a bath. Friday, tomorrow.
I'm so sorry.
Very bad weather today. Like, I think 4 days now. Very bad weather.
It's hot, yeah?
Very hot. Every early morning.
I
Very
wanted
hot.
to sweat, nah?
Yeah, but that's good. I like that. You know, the toxic in your body is come out. If winter, we cannot get to sweat like this. Ay, grabe kay Harley. Oh, katindog siya. Harley! Nala, tamad. Tamad si Nala. Abi, paghampang pala ka mga duha. Nala, hampang ka mo ni Harley. Oh, sige na. Maubra naman ka ba? Salamat mga ka-dogs lover. Sana mag-enjoy ka mo magtanaw sa akon nga funny video. Si Harley, oh. May allergy abi siya. What are you doing, Harley? Hello, oy. May allergy abi siya, oh. Nangatol naman siya. Nangangati na naman.